Hey folks, myself from Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all some easy ways to compress video on iPhone for free. First, with every upgrade to iPhone there comes improvement to camera and features. As with iPhone 14, it comes with massive camera upgrade. iPhone 14 Pro brings most impressive iPhone camera system yet, as it brings 48 megapixel quad pixel sensor with ProLess and Dolby Vision video technology. With all these camera improvements, the resulting video size also increases, and more videos we capture, it takes more and more space on our iPhone. So we may run out of space on our iPhone, but if you have a video compressor that can compress our videos without losing quality, that too directly on our iPhone, that will be amazing, is not it? And this is what I am going to share with you all. But before I start, if you are new to Originals, do subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Now finally, let's begin and know how to compress videos on iPhone without losing quality. And for this, we will be using Wondershare Anismall for iOS. Anismall for iOS is a powerful video and audio compression app that can not just compress videos to save storage space, but is also a video converter that supports all popular video formats and can convert videos with lossless quality. With Anismall for iOS, we can also convert audio to more than 20 audio formats within seconds. It can also export audio from video and offers Wi-Fi transfer, which has an easy transfer of audio and video files from PC to iPhone. The best thing, we can use Anismall for iOS on iPhone or iPad with 4 simple steps. Wow, that's amazing. Let's give it a try, and for that you can scan this QR code or follow the links in description and pin comment. It will take you to Apple Store. Now from here we can download Anismall for iOS. Tap on Get and confirm for Anismall for iOS free download. Once installation gets completed, tap on Open. Now we will be required to log in with Wondershare ID. You can create one, or if you have one, log in using that. After you are logged in, you will see interface like this. So easy and clean UI. Here we have all the capabilities of Wondershare Anismall for iOS. Just choose a feature and follow the steps. That's how easy it is. Let's try to compress video, and for that tap on video compression. Now we need to select a file source. We can choose Wi-Fi transfer from PC, or can also choose a file from album or document library. Let's tap on album. Now it will ask to access photos. Tap on allow access to all photos. This will open library. Choose a video that you want to compress. Selected one, and now tap on done. This will import video to Anismall for iOS. Here at top it will show original and export preview. Next we have output format. We can choose the format in which we want to compress our video. Then we have compress mode. Standard is selected, and with this we can choose output size. Just drag this slider to select compressed video quality and size. We can drag it up to 9%, with which video will be of just around 17 MB. Wow, that's awesome. Let's export it, and for that tap on export. It will start compressing our video. Please do not leave the app or lock screen. Within few seconds our video will be compressed, and here it shows saved successfully. Now we can open file or share it, or can also Wi-Fi transfer it to computer. Tap on open, and here in all finished we have our video. The size of compressed video is just around 17.5 MB from original size of around 100 MB. Wow, that's amazing work from Anismall for iOS. That's how easily you can also compress or convert video on iPhone for free using Anismall for iOS. Effortless and easy to use. Now you may ask, is Anismall for iOS free to use? Well, you can surely download it for free and use it for free, but it also comes with in-app purchases. I will highly recommend you to try it out, and if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. One more thing, it is also available for Windows and Mac. Watch this video if you are looking to compress video on PC without losing quality. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also, share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this. and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Want to compress large video without losing quality? If yes, this video is for you. Today we are going to talk about the latest update to best video converter software from Wondershare, which is much more than a video converter.